Good morning, Orlando. I'm student meteorologist Sarah Converse, and we had a very quiet morning, very clear skies out as we get to our live caption of the storm into Orlando that morning. Really nice clouds out, very few clouds going on. We have dry air pushing its way through, bringing on these fewer storms, but as we reach into that afternoon time, we're going to slowly warm up into 91 degrees, very humid out. As we reach into 3 p.m., quickly warming up to 93, very hot outside. So if you do go out to the parks, make sure you stay hydrated and have your sunscreen on with you. We'll have a slightly drop of temperatures as we get into that evening time of 5 p.m. at 91, but we see those storms start to roll through, those hit or miss storms, those fewer storms come in the evening time. So here's our futurecast, really showing low coverage of these storms as we reach into 3 p.m. 4:30, seeing the start of the buildup of these storms with very low coverage as they start to move off to the west, moving closer to I-75. As we get into that evening time, basically dissipating as we reach over past into 19. For your morning commute, very clear, maybe a few passing clouds as we saw this morning. And we'll see that continue 12:30 when we really should be seeing the start of that buildup of those storms. Not really seeing it. Only in Marion County, seeing a few passing showers as we get in through the rest of the afternoon. Few more pop-up showers, but really low coverage all around the viewing area as that dry air is really making itself known. 4 o'clock, really seeing more of the storm staying west of I-4 and over by I-75. And as we get into Tuesday, really the storms are starting to dissipate as we get into that evening time. So what does that mean? It means it's a good time to go out to the beach as we have fewer storms all around, rain chance sticking around at 20%, but the warmth will persist as we have those high temperatures sitting into the low 90s. So make sure you stay hydrated. Always make sure to reapply that sunscreen as the UV index is at an extreme. So for tomorrow, basically copy and paste of today as we have sun and clouds, fewer storms, and that high of 92 as that warmth really persists on for the rest of the week. And as we move on to your weekend forecast, Saturday seeing that bump of rain chances at 50%, staying high in the 92. Sunday dropping just slightly of those rain chances, but still seeing those hit or miss storms at 40%, 93 for the high. So stay tuned for Weather on the Ones for your full 7-day forecast and also for your 4th of July forecast. The desk was all like, whoa. I was like,